Use a chiffon or georgette sari with borders for this method. Tuck the end of the sari, non-pallu end, on the right side and bring it around the waist to the back side. Tuck it in fully while doing the same. Bring it towards the front again and hold the pallu towards the left and with the fabric in the middle. Make pleats in the front and tuck it a little towards the right side, adjusting the pleats in the center. Drape the sari around the person along the waist and tuck the fabric neatly all through. While in the front side, bring the sari a little high such that it drapes one layer, showing 2 rows of borders. Bring the sari around the person again. Tucking the fabric in the same length. Now in the front, make smaller pleats and keep the length shorter for the pallu and pin it over the left shoulder. Use a chiffon or georgette sari for this method. Wear a long sleeve blouse. Tuck the end of the sari, non-pallu end on the right side and bring it around the waist to the back side. Tuck it in fully while doing the same. Bring it towards the front again and leave some length of fabric and tuck on the left waist. Now bring sari over to the right front side. Make pleats on pallu, keeping the length short. Pin it on the left shoulder. Now make pleats in the front and tuck it in the center. Remove the pallu pin and adjust the pleats, keeping the border straight. Pin it along with the blouse on the right side of the chest. Do this such that the chest will be covered with only one layer of fabric and rest pleated in and secured with a pin.